Hi guys, I'm Jesse from Farol Ltd. Today I'm going to show you around this second-hand John Deere 960 baler that we have here in stock at Milton Common.
So this 960 baler is a variable chamber baler. It has done 27,526 bales. It is a 2014 model. It has, as you can see, the John Deere's fast release system, which can save up to an hour's worth of working time a day. Also, it will eject bale in 5 seconds, which is 10 seconds faster than any other conventional machine. It has 3 rollers, and it comes with 2 continuous belts, which are in good condition. It's running flat out, as you can hear. It's not grinding or anything. Sounds quite nice. The side panels can be opened with either a coin or a 13mm spanner. I didn't have a spanner, so we use a coin. Let's just run it out with the panels open. As you can see, everything seems to be running quite nicely. Go and have a look around the other side. Again, sounds like it's running quite smoothly. The wheels are removable off the pickup, which make the baler narrower, and it runs in line with the tractor. It uses a 7-spline shaft that runs at 1000 RPM and only requires 2 spools, so it can go on as little as a 100 horsepower tractor also. As you can see, I've got it plugged into the arse bust at the minute, but it does come with the screen. The netting system feeds straight into the chamber. For quickness, less fiddling around. It also has a auto chain lubrication, as you can see there, which you can adjust the timings from inside the cab on either the screen that it comes with or the screen in the tractor cab. We'll just check the snapness of these chains. Seems fairly okay. So does that chain. It has also, while we're here, a chopping system. As you can see, it locks that red lever locks the knives in or takes them out. It also has a drop floor system, so if you do unfortunately block the baler up, you can just drop the floor and eject. There is a little bend by the looks of it on that lighting stalk. Nothing major, it's not cracked, the lights do work. Just the usual sort of wear and tear for a machine that's coming up to 5 years old, really. It's been fairly well looked after. The grease nipples are on banks of 8. There is the odd one that are not on the bank, but the majority of them are on banks. That chain looks okay. It comes with spare knives, as you can see. The chain looks okay as well. Looks alright around the front. This is it on the ISA bus screen. As you can see, it's done 27,526 bales. These are the 2 belts in good condition.
This baler is priced at $19,950 plus VAT. For more information on this baler, drop me an email at jesse@farol.co.uk or give me a call on the number below. Cheers.